Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks in Sendlane for your email marketing campaign. So you want to pay attention to this message because I'm going to show you 1 or 2 tricks you can do in your email marketing campaign. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and today is go ahead and get to the content of tips and tricks in Sendlane for your email marketing campaign. Now the first tip and trick, we already logged into Sendlane, and if you haven't got signed up in Sendlane, right below this video or here, you can go ahead and log in and sign up for your 14-day free trial for Sendlane. Now, Sendlane is an email marketing autoresponder, if you don't know that already, and it's one of the top email autoresponders that's out there, especially for affiliate marketers, network marketers, or any type of internet marketer. Now, right now, we're already logged into the system right now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you 1 tip and trick you can actually do if you don't already know this. Now, I'm going to start right at the campaigns, which campaigns are broadcasting emails. So we're going to go ahead and set up a campaign up, and I'm going to show you something that you really can do. So we're going to start a new campaign, and this is going to just be a test. The campaign name will be test 1. Subject line will keep test today. So that'll be the subject line, as you know. We're not going to set up any lists and segments right now. We're going to set anything right now. We're just going to go ahead and go straight to it. Let me go ahead and see if I can move this a little bit. So we here next here it says set. Oh, you're asking me for one. So let's go ahead and do a list. So they're asking me to do one right here. So I'll just do a bulk list here. So I'll hit a list here. That's a list that you go ahead and make. And so we're gonna do start from scratch. So start from scratch, you go ahead and set up your campaign email up. Now this is what I want to go ahead and show you. Let's say you were typing in your email message here. So right here is thank you very much. Very much. Okay, so that's here. Let's say I want to add an image towards this type of email. So you want to go ahead and go to section and then content, and you want to drag that image over. So you go ahead here, content. So you want content, and then you go ahead and drag your image over here. You click on the image. So right here, you want to go ahead and grab an image. Let me go ahead and say, let me grab one of these images here. That's funny. So let's say do the Click Magic logo, right? So let's say I want to embed a link. So when people click on the Click Magic logo, I want to direct them to an actually website, right? So what you want to do is click on the image there. And right here, you see here in the corner here, it's the link here. So let me go back. I'm gonna click here, click there, and you can go ahead and add a link. So let's say if I wanted to say, let's say to go to Yahoo or something like that, or even Click Magic itself. You can actually just kind of do that. But let's just go to Yahoo itself. It's already check marked and it's good to go. So when someone clicks on that, so if I do a preview here, and if someone clicks on that, it goes right to the Yahoo address. That's a little tip and trick that I learned about a few weeks ago, and I want to go ahead and show you this because it's really, really good. And so when you go ahead and see, you can send a test email, and it will go ahead and click right on there. So you click on there, and you see it right here. See this right here? So you see the URL right here, www.yahoo.com. That check mark means it's already ready to go. So when someone clicks on here, you can go ahead and do that. And you know, right here, you can kind of move it if you want to. If I want to move this here, if I want to make it bigger, so you can change the size here. It's really good. So that's a tip and trick that I want to go ahead and show you there. And another one here I want to show you. Let me go back to the return. Yeah, I'm going to go all the way back. Another here. It's kind of one of those things. I'm not sure if you know about Sendlane. It's kind of one of those things. This is something I really like to do. Is I really like to duplicate some of my campaigns and just changing kind of like the wording. So let's say right here, I want to send the same email right here. If I want to send here, I could just duplicate it. So basically it has the same email and everything. So all I have to do is just change the name. If I want to change the name, I could say tonight tonight we go. And let's say I take the date out, right? I've already duplicated that same email already, and check it out. There's an old subject line, oh my God, it works. And that's my campaign name in there. So now I'm off to the races. And so now I can use the same format, and all my lists and my segments is all there. And all I have to do is click next and go ahead and edit that email without just duplicating it. So those are 2 tricks. If you don't know already, 2 tips you can do. You don't have to start all over from your emails. You can just keep duplicating it and make light changes from here, or any of your lists and segments. And when you click on next here, that's the email I duplicated right before. So just everything is in here. Look, all the emails in there, and I can go ahead and change that. I can change anything in there. And now that way you don't have to keep changing anything everywhere. And you also can save it as a draft as well. But I like duplicating it. Duplicate the results. You can always duplicate things that work in your business, and that makes it really, really, really good. So that's my tips and tricks today for Sendlane for today. Let me go ahead and go back to the main page here. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, right below this video, go ahead and sign up for your 14-day free trial for Sendlane. And I'll see you on the next video. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Have a good night.